Welcome to Shanghai, China. On behalf of Qantas and our partner China Eastern Airlines, we hope you enjoy your visit. To make your journey as smooth as possible, we've put together a simple guide for passengers arriving in Shanghai and those connecting to a domestic flight operated by China Eastern. If you're finishing your journey in Shanghai, you'll be arriving into the International Arrivals Hall on Level 2 of Terminal 1. You will be required to proceed to quarantine and immigration check, also located on Level 2, so please have your passport and documents ready. Once cleared, you will need to collect your luggage from the baggage claim located on Level 1. Follow the escalators down to this level. Once you've collected your luggage, you will need to go to Customs check, also located on Level 1. Once cleared, exit via the doors leading into the arrival hall on Level 1. If you're a passenger transiting to a domestic flight operated by China Eastern, you'll need to take the nearest lift or escalator from the arrival hall to the departures hall on Level 3. Once in the departures hall, please proceed to one of the China Eastern Airlines check-in counters for bag drop. When you have checked through, proceed to your allocated gate number or lounge for eligible customers in the domestic departure hall on Level 3. We hope you've had a great experience with Qantas in partnership with China Eastern Airlines. Thank you. We hope to see you on board again very soon.